Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Deepti Dindi and welcome to Tech My channel. So we all know that TCS is one of the biggest IT service providers in the world as well as in India. So TCS has branches in over 46 countries and it has 230 offices all over the world. TCS has highest hiring rate. That means it hires 40,000 freshers every year. I guess many BTech students have this dream of getting placed in TCS. So if you are a person who is planning to get placed in TCS and passionate about the job, we have done some videos regarding TCS interview experience and NQT. Will that might help you a lot in tracking the TCS interview. So we'll provide the links of that videos in the description. Go to the links and watch it. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you what after getting placed in TCS. So without any further delay, let's get started. After successful completion of your interview, within a span of 1 week or 10 days, you will receive a confirmation mail regarding you have selected for the company or not. If you got selected for the company, within a week span, you will receive an offer letter in your next step portal. There will be a deadline for the offer letter. So before the deadline ends, you have to accept the offer letter. Otherwise, your offer will get rejected. So the offer letter contains some basic details like your respective domain, your grade, uh, your salary details, of course, training period, food, accommodation, and the perks which will be provided by TCS, etc. So you will not find any joining date and location in your offer letter. The offer letter is nothing but just a confirmation letter that you have selected for the role. So you will get the joining date and location prior to your joining. So after receiving your offer letter, in a month or two, TCS will launch some basic courses that you will have to do online. So this is called TCS Explore program. So these courses helps a lot for non-CSE or IT students. Of course, every student who have got selected for TCS have to do these courses. So based on these courses, a test will be conducted by the TCS. It is called IPA, Ion Procured Assessment. So this test is all about incentives, which means bonus. So this test is for 100 marks. If you scored 80 plus, if your score is 80 plus in IPA, so you will receive 60,000 bonus. And if your score is between 55 to 80, you will receive 40,000 as bonus. So if your score is less than 55, you are not eligible for incentives, but don't worry guys. So the most important advantage of this exam is you can take this test as many times as possible before you're joining. So TCS always encourages new talent. This is a very good opportunity for freshers. Like no other company will provide incentives before you're joining into the company. You will receive the incentive money as soon as you join to the company along with your first salary. So TCS asks you to update your preferred work location after receiving your offer letter. Prior to your joining, you will receive a joining letter which contains your joining date and work location. In 90% of the cases, your work location will be same as your preferred location. In some of the cases, you may not get your preferred location as your work location. So the joining letter also contains details about the documents which you have to upload in the TCS portal, like 10th mark sheet, inter mark sheet, and if you're a graduate, provisional certificate upload karna padega. Or if you're still in the graduation, you have to upload the bona fide certificate and service bond agreement. TCS takes 1 year bond agreement and medical certificate, all the details. So all these documents have to be uploaded before joining into the company. So once you get joined into the company, your training period starts. The freshers who got selected for the company will be divided into two batches, BG batch and XP batch. This completely depends on your IPA test result, which I have told you earlier. An exam will be taken for incentives. So if your IPA test score is greater than 80, that means if you score 80 plus in your IPA, you will be fallen into BG batch, in which the training lasts for 1 week. So if you got less than 80 marks in your IPA test, so you will fall into XP batch and your training lasts for 3 weeks. So once you completed your general training, a project will be allocated to you. It is not sure that you will be allocated to a project as soon as you completed your general training. It might take a week or two or even months. It completely depends. So once you get into a project, your project related training starts. So it completely depends on the type of the project you are allocated to. The period of the project related training may vary from project to project. It depends on the technologies that have been used in the project. So the period of the project related training might be 1 month, 2 month, or even 3 months in some cases. So once you're done with your project related training, you will get permanent access and you will get work on your daily basis. So if you are a person who got selected for TCS and waiting for joining letter, I hope this video will help you a lot. And if you have any queries related to TCS or any other thing, do mention in the comment section below, and feel free to write us at techmyhair@gmail.com. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon below for not missing any other update from our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.